Hey everybody, welcome back to Tenza Motorsports. Today we're going to be putting some wheel spacers on our 2014 320. Now I have a few things that I want to talk about with wheel spacers. This isn't going to be a super long video because putting wheel spacers on is literally just a few minutes per corner. But there are some things that I've learned with buying wheel spacers specific to your car, universal ones, putting them on your daily driver, putting them on things like this customized wagon or this race car, things to do, things not to do. So that's what we'll be doing today, is putting these wheel spacers on. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to check out our link to our Instagram in the description. We're gonna be doing some giveaways this summer. All you have to do to be part of that is follow us. Let's get these wheel spacers opened up. So these are the spacers we're going to be putting on the car today. These are KSP Performance. I'll have these linked in the description below. They are specific to the car. They are hub centric. We're going to be doing a 12 millimeter in the front and a 15 millimeter in the back. So when you're doing wheel spacers, you got to make sure that you measure exactly how much you think you need. And you don't want to push your wheel too far out because it could potentially touch the fender. And on things like trucks, if you put them too far out, you actually need to buy fender flares. So if you're already planning on that, not a big deal. But if you're not looking into modifying your car, just make sure that you buy ones that are going to be compatible with your setup. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is situations when you should be buying wheel spacers. In our case, we have stock wheels. These are going to be eventually used as winter tires, and then the performance wheels we buy are going to be bought to fit the car, and we won't have to put wheel spacers on. One of the things I've learned is if you're trying to keep your stock wheels looking nice and you just kind of want to dress them up a little bit, this is a perfect alternative to buying new wheels if you're just trying to save up for a little bit longer. I would not buy a new set of wheels expecting to put wheel spacers on them. Make sure when you're buying your new wheels that they actually fit your car like you want them to. It can be a little bit more convenient to have some wheel spacers so that you can change your wheels depending on what you want to do, but it's better if you buy your aftermarket wheels to fit your car and not have to worry about spacing them out. Wheel spacers can mess with the geometry of your suspension on your car, so if you don't have to use them, try not to. But in this case, we're going to be putting some small ones on there. Like I said, 15 millimeters, that's just over half of an inch, and the front ones, 12 millimeters, are basically a half inch. So let's get these unboxed and get them on the car. All right, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Short video, I know. Those wheel spacers didn't take very long. I know it looks dark outside, but this only took about 5 or 6 minutes a corner to jack it up, take off the wheel. We made sure to wire brush it and put some anti-seize on, and then we torqued it down. These wheel spacers are a little bit tighter, weird feeling. They didn't like slide on all the way, so you have to make sure you tighten all your lugs properly and your star pattern, and then you want to drive it a little bit and just kind of keep checking it. It says to do it every 50 miles or something like that, and then like 1,000 miles. Make sure you check your torque specs. So anyways, like I said, the link to these will be down in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Make sure to check out our Instagram, link in the description below as well, Tenza_Motorsports. We'll see everybody in the next video.
Bam!